Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this month's Sephora Play unboxing. I have not unboxed a Sephora Play box in a hot second. I think I missed the last 2 months just because it's been so crazy, but I finally have time to sit down and film it today. And if you are wondering, I did film this makeup look. It's using Soft Glam, the new ABH bronzer, and the Amrezy highlight. That will be up soon, so keep an eye out for that. But for now, let's go ahead and get into this box. So I did go ahead and crack it open. 2 reasons. It looks like it's about to rain here in Texas and I need to film this video. And I wanted to see what it looked like. This is my birthday month box. If you didn't know, my birthday was April 6th. I already did post a what I got for my 20th birthday video. So it'll be a card, or just go back to the home page of my YouTube channel and it will be right there. So like always, we do get like the cute little pamphlet. I don't want to open this because it gives away what's inside, but from the colors, I really like this. Like, I like all the bright, fun pops of color. The bag is cute too. It says make it snappy, and it's got some bulkiness to it. So I'm definitely curious on what is inside. So the first thing that's literally sticking out right on top is the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Silk Press Anti-Aging Finishing Powder from IT Cosmetics. I feel like this is the one I maybe heard mixed reviews about, or maybe it was the loose one. I think it was the loose one of this that I believe Kathleen Lights did not like. So I'm definitely curious about this because I believe the loose powder was on sale on Ulta's 21 Days Beauty last year. So this is kind of interesting. I did get a powder, I believe, in last month's Sephora Play box. I do unbox them on my Instagram page if I decide not to film a video that month of it. So make sure you're following me on there. It's always linked down below. And the next thing that's kind of big in here is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. It is in the shade 06. I'm assuming this is a skin tint like a foundation. Oh, it is. I think this is their new one, if I'm correct. The shade looks a little orange, though, not gonna lie. It is in the shade 06, like I did say, but kind of looks a little orange, so I'll probably have to wait for in the summer to wear that, which kind of sucks, but it's fine. And then another thing that's kind of big. What is this? This is like really big. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, this is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. I bought the shade Fuel in this for my birthday, and I'm so excited what shade this is in. This is in the shade SPL. It is like one of those unicorny shades where it's like kind of holographic, I guess is the point. It looks so good. Oh, that's a little small. I guarantee it's gonna be so cool for like spring and summer because it's like a holographic kind of shade. It looks like it's got specks of like bluish, like silver pink sparkles in it, so we'll just have to see. Like I did say, I bought the shade Fuel, and Midnight Cowgirl also has my eyes, so I really like these already. The next thing we have in here, which feels like a piece of paper actually, this is, what is this? The I don't know how you say that, but it's a perfume. It is that brand right there. I'm not 100% sure how you say this, but it says that they're perfume. It doesn't even tell me the name of this actually. I don't know what kind of perfume this is. Hopefully a little brochure will say something because it doesn't really say anything on the box. The next thing that is in here, this is actually the Peter Thomas Ross Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. Finally, something for oily skin. Oh my gosh. So this is a mattifying primer. This is exactly what I've been needing. I hope I don't like this because I know Peter Thomas Ross skincare is very expensive. So I'm very excited to try this out actually. I have a video coming up soon that I think you guys are actually gonna love, and it incorporates a lot of the Sephora Play stuff in here. So I'm very excited about this. I will definitely let y'all know how I feel because I've been dying to find mattifying primers. I feel like the drugstore in general, granted that's not drugstore, but I feel like the drugstore and just places in general like to cater towards drier normal skin. And then the last thing we have in here is a little box. It's kind of heavy. This is the, it is by Fresh Cosmetics. It's their Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. It's a Seaweed Radiance Facial. So this is actually exciting because like I did say, my skin's been a little dry recently. I'm not too sure why, and this seems like it actually has quite a bit of product in it. This will be nice. You leave it on for about 5 minutes. Ooh, that smells like seaweed. It smells like actually like you're eating sushi. That has a lot in here. You probably get 2 or 3 uses out of this. So I'm pretty excited about this also. So that is everything for this month's box. I have to say that was a pretty good box. I'm pretty interested in this. The lip gloss has me interested. Kind of wish they would have picked a different shade. And this primer, I'm very excited about this primer. So opening up the little brochure because I am curious about that perfume. It is a rose one, it says. It has the notes of fresh, black currant, lily of the valley, and a musk. So that's that right there. So apparently the Makeup Forever thing is new. I feel like I have seen that somewhere that it is new, maybe on YouTube or Instagram or something like that. And then obviously the lip glosses are new. So I wonder if that's what the play boxes are starting to incorporate, new products, because if so, that would be great. I would love to receive like the newer releases. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you guys later. Bye y'all.